Hello everyone, welcome back once again to a fierce kitchen where friends and family cook. I believe the grace of God is keeping us and we are all doing well. Today I'm coming your way with this super refreshing recipe that you would love. Not only is it delicious, but it also helps with constipation. Stay with me and let's get into the video. So for this recipe we would be needing 2 thumb-sized ginger, 1 lemon, some cucumbers, mint leaves, and then a pineapple. If you want the juice to come out more sweeter, you can increase the quantity of pineapple you use for your juice. I will then proceed and nicely slice my ginger, and we are going to transfer everything we are using for this juice into the blender. I will then slice my cucumbers nicely and then put it in the blender, and I will then proceed to cut out the pineapple just like I'm demonstrating. So let me share with you some of the health benefits of these ingredients we are using for our juice. Cucumbers increases hydration and strengthens our bones and are high in vitamin K and promotes gut health and improves heart health. Mint leaves also promotes the digestive system by stimulating the digestive enzymes. Pineapple contains disease-fighting antioxidants, and it also boosts immunity and suppresses inflammation. And the ginger, in addition, takes this whole thing to a whole different level. It is worth trying it. I will then move on to the lemon, peel it nicely just like I'm demonstrating, and cut them out and get rid of the seeds as well. We will then add some water into the blender, and we would want the water to be on the same level as the fruits. Yes, we need a lot of water in our juices to keep us hydrated all the time. I will then give it a nice blend until I am satisfied with the smoothness. Thank you to all my returning subscribers for the love and support. You all are amazing. It's now time to pass our juice through a strainer. So after straining it beautifully, this is what we are left of. And I was contemplating, looking at the texture. It wasn't so smooth. To me it was okay, but I was thinking if the kids would enjoy this, I have to give it another straining. So I had to pass it through a cheesecloth again to get that very smooth and fine texture. Yeah, so I went for the second straining, and after beautifully straining this, we are ready to serve and enjoy. And trust me, it was so good, so good. Just try this and thank me later. Thank you all so much for your time with us. Time is precious, so if you are able to watch this video till the end, from my heart I say thank you so much, and God richly bless you for your love and support. Till I come here again in the next video, keep safe and don't forget to keep your little light shining. Bye.
A Fierce Kitchen. Dad Del.
So tasty!